Rangoli. What do you have to say about it?
It's beautiful, like you said. I was just saying that I think this is a great coming together of Indian work. So this is a lot of thread work. There is
It's all on knit.
it's all on knit. The structuring and the silhouettes is very Western, but at the same time that the work that they've used, the Madhubani work that they've done, motives that they've done, is all very Indian. So it's a great fusion of, not forced, but very organically coming together, which I think is fantastic. Yeah.
We missed you at the Fashion Week for 2-3 seasons. How was
Yes.
to come back with Neha?
Lovely. In fact, it's really nice. You're right. I think it's been a while since I've been here, and the energy is fantastic, and it's so nice to be here on stage.
Something like this, where would you want to sport it?
I think most of these events that we have, whether
Yeah,
it's
we
the
know
red
the
carpet
red carpet
events
events.
or even otherwise, I think it just depends on the kind of makeup that you go with. If you just go easier with your hair and makeup, then you could wear something like this even for a not so formal event, So I think it's very that way, pliable.
Neha, could you please talk about the inspiration from the ancient weaves?
The inspiration is Madhubani art, and basically, what the research I did was that Madhubani has never been presented in a full and in a complete way, wherein people could really know what the Madhubani art is. Like it is yet been approached in a way of getting some painting done or thing, but I have actually tried to incorporate Madhubani in various ways, like creating prints and knits and embroideries, and we continue to explore what more we can do with Madhubani. So the whole central idea was for me that the demand of today's woman is to wear comfortable clothing. So how is it that I can put Indian art on this comfortable clothing at a couture level? So that is
Mostly you always see these paisleys, that's the only Indian thing, so to speak, that you find in the world fashion scene. But I think it's good to get more motives and more Indian, such things, prints out, with Western silhouettes.
It's like, in India we actually boast about the best skillsmen, best artists, best weavers, best yarns, best fabrics. Then why is it that we aren't doing a very healthy exchange of what India can offer as well, as in rooted being India? It's like, India was always a place of creation. So my need was that how is it that I can, Indian history is very grand.
She's very passionate about this.
Yeah,
Even when we had a
very
chat, she was
passionate
like,
about
really?
how
And I
can
was
put
like,
India,
that's awesome.
Indian art there, up there.
Yeah.
The nose pin looks really, really nice.
Yeah.
And very chic.
That's all her.
So,
Yeah.
do you wear nose pins often? Do you like it?
I love nose rings. I love anything which is Indian, which has got a bit of a edge to it. I think it's really nice. And I think it looks nice on me, so I like it. Yes. Thank you.